Today we're just going to have fun, just fun. There's nothing to be explained today. From the tutorial you can understand everything. I think so. Or what do you think? Should I explain? Okay. And our first hairstyle is done. I love them. They're both official, casual, or just rock them the way you want. On to our second tutorial. Just going to section a part of your braids. Then you hold the remaining ones behind. It's unfortunate that I used those rubber bands. I ought to have used black ones, but they just disappeared in the house, and so I just had to use the ones that I had. Next time I'll use black ones. But for today, let's just use what we have. My rubber bands disappeared, like they really disappeared. When I just wanted to do the tutorial, rubber bands gone. But the most important thing is for you to understand the concept so that you can try it out. So I hope you can manage with the ones we have. I'm sorry. Remember, we are making a loose cornrow on the part that we section. Every day I keep telling you people that you should be gentle to your hair. So don't make the style too tight so that you can strain your hairline or just your hair in general. So just be gentle to your hair is your friend, not your enemy. So don't fight with your hair. Allah. Just clip it up. Sometimes you can use hair accessories on your braids so that your braids are not boring, or you can as well use head wraps. There are styles for tying your head wraps while having braids on and when having your hair. So I did a tutorial on how I do my head wraps, but at that time I was not having braids. If you want me to show you how I style my head wraps while having braids on, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I can do a video on how I style my braids using head wraps. I didn't tell you that these braids I did them myself. Okay, it was my first time doing my own braids. Usually I do the twist, but this one I've never done it on my head, though I do it for other people. So I think I'm happy. I love them. I love what I did. Or what do you think? For a first timer, I think I deserve a thumbs up. I'm so excited that I was able to do them. It just made me happy. They say you're supposed to get used to celebrating little achievements so that you can pave way for big achievements. And this is one of my achievements, doing my own hair. The best thing that I've ever done for myself. I'll be doing a tutorial on how I make hair accessories. So kindly subscribe so that when the video is up, you are able to watch how I do my hair accessories. And we will put accessories on these braids, and I think it will be popping. Okay, it will be, I'm sure of that, because the accessories will just be awesome. Subscribe so that when the video is out, you are able to watch. You'll be notified when the video is up so that you can watch and we can enjoy the fun together, because we are here for fun. We're here to learn, to make fun, to make friends, and to have fun in general. Right now with this COVID-19, are you people still going to the salon? What's your experience? What are your fears? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Are you able to do your own hair during this quarantine season? What have you learned during this season concerning your hair? As much as it's a challenging time, I think it's also a time for us to learn that. I know of a couple of friends who are able to do their own hair, something that they thought they could not do before, but right now they're doing it like pro. So yes, I think COVID-19 is also has come at a time where we now know that we can do some things by ourselves. Some services we don't really have to pay for. So yes, it's unfortunate that I didn't do a tutorial on how I do my braids, but hopefully I'll do it some other day. It was so simple, and I think you can do it. I don't even think, I'm sure you can do it. Sometimes having braids can be boring when you have to rock the same hairstyle for a long period of time, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. And you know, braids are not like wigs which you remove overnight, so it's good to know how to style your braids so that you look different each and every day. Today you've styled it at the top as a top band, tomorrow another style. You're popping every day. I hope this tutorial helps you people, and I welcome your comments, opinions, additional points in the comment section. Let's just interact, have fun, learn, and build ourselves generally. This was the most tricky style. Usually I style my braids this style I usually use it in different ways, but today I realized that it depends on the size of the braids you're having and the length as well. So there are some styles that I realized they could not go with my braids because my braids are a bit big. They're not too small, they're big. So styling it depends on the size, yeah? What am I even saying? Oh God. So after tying it this way, you can style it you can roll it into a side bun, which I tried, but no, I realized that it's not for this hair. So we'll just pull all the hair behind and rock that style you're seeing on top of your screen. I hope you can see the photo. I tried twisting it so that I can put it a bit lower, then tie it on behind, but no, I realized that no, it was not working for this size as well. so I'll just pull it. Something that I realized is that when you're having smaller braids, there are so many ways you can style it, unlike when you're having bigger braids. You know, bigger braids tend to be a bit stiff, so some styles won't go well with bigger braids unless they are big braids but long. You see, in this case we are having short braids, so the styles are a bit limited, but they're still popping. They're still so good. Look at my rubber band. No, don't use this rubber band when you're going out. Kindly use black rubber bands when you're having black braids. We don't want to have messy braids. No, we are the queens. Queens are always shining. So it's too bad we're using that rubber band. Look at it. But the style is on point. We are on to our second last, and in this case we are going to use a small turban, as you can see in the photo on top of your screen. So we'll just tie all the hair to the side. You can tie them a bit on the back side of your head or at the topmost part, but in this tutorial let's just do it on the side, because that's what I was feeling like doing. But there's no limitation, you can tie it up or behind, just depend with what you feel like rocking on that day. The light is not steady today. I don't know why. And the way I woke up early to do this tutorial, it's life anyway. But I hope you can still understand how we're doing this. I hope one day I'll be able to buy a ring light so that we can have steady light, because right now I'm just using natural light, that's the sun. So that's what we're managing. And you know, the sun can change the way it wants it, and so the light is becoming dim, bright. But yeah, that's what we're using for today, or for now, until we get ourselves a ring light. I hope it be soon so that we have clearer videos. We'll just roll the turban on the front parts that way. I did a tutorial on how I do this style, a detailed one. It's in one of my previous tutorials. Kindly check on them so that you can try them out. I'll be glad to do for you another tutorial on how I tie my head wraps while having braids, but only if you people want. You know, you are my bosses. Yes, I love this style. I usually tie my braids this way when I'm having some jeans or just on a casual day. Let's go to our last. This is the simplest. This one you can actually do within seconds, like seconds. Nothing to worry about. You just tie all your hair to the back. Remember to style the front part. You can do either a side partition or a mid partitioning, but I kind of love the side ones. Maybe because of the shape of my face. It's a long face, so mid sectioning doesn't go so well with my face, but if it goes well with your face, well and good. Rock style. Yes, and we are done with our tutorial. Bye.